Welcome back everyone. Today we're going to do some baking. I'm going to show you how to use the Vibe blender to save yourself some elbow grease and some time. We're making carrot cupcakes with the cream cheese frosting. First things first, preheat your oven to 180 Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit and line a muffin tray with 12 cases. The ingredients are split into 3 components. We've got a batter, we've got some fold-in ingredients, and of course that cream cheese frosting for the end. Add all of the batter ingredients to the blender jug. I've got half a cup of milk, 3 eggs, a third of a cup of vegetable oil or any neutral flavored oil, half a teaspoon of vinegar or lemon juice, 1 cup of plain or all-purpose flour, 1 cup of rolled oats, 1 cup of brown sugar, 1.5 teaspoons of bicarb soda, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon powder, and 3/4 teaspoon of ginger powder. Blend on smoothie mode for 20 seconds and then check to see that it's all fully incorporated. You may need to scrape down the sides. Remove the jug from the base and fold in 1.5 cups of finely grated carrot, 3/4 cup of drained crushed pineapple, 1/4 cup of desiccated or shredded coconut, and 1/3 cup of roughly chopped pecans or walnuts. You'll want some extra nuts for decorating later. Fold these ingredients through the batter with a spatula and then pour the batter straight into the muffin cases, filling them up to 3/4 full. Bake for 20 minutes and then place them on a wire rack to cool completely before frosting. While they're cooling down, you can make the cream cheese frosting. Place all of the frosting ingredients into a mixing bowl. 200 grams or 1 cup of cream cheese or dripped yogurt cheese, 3 tablespoons of melted butter, a cup of sifted icing sugar, and half a teaspoon of vanilla. Use a spatula to incorporate all of the ingredients. Spread or pipe the frosting onto the cupcakes once they've cooled down, and then decorate with some extra chopped nuts. So there you go, you can use your Vibe blender to whip up some really great cupcakes. Check out the blog for some great information on how to substitute some of these ingredients to suit your dietary needs. If you give this one a go at home, then let us know what you think in the comment section below. And if you haven't already, then hit subscribe to see more of our videos coming up. Give this video a like if you enjoyed it today, and we'll catch you again very soon.